Hey everybody, William Petrow from Bleeding Tarmac. Don't mind the noise in the background, I've got the door open, it's a nice day. But we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Exedy clutches FJK1001. It has a lot of different applications, but today we're actually going to be installing it on a 2006 WRX. But yeah, here we go. So this is the FJK1001 stock replacement clutch for 2006, I think, all the way up to 2014 WRX. But basically, there's a lot of different applications for this clutch. But basically, let's show you part number. And this is what you get on the inside. You get some instructions, some tips. What's right, what's wrong, how to do it, both sides, you know, that sort of stuff. You get a little bit of paste, which is great stuff, purple when you break it open, or pink. You get a new throw-out bearing, which is nice. Let's see here. Obviously, you get your brand new clutch disc, which is an organic sprung type center, very similar to your OEM replacement or your OEM clutch. You get your pressure plate, pressure cover. Oop, whole box is turning with me. This is for obviously a push type clutch. You get clutch alignment tool, obviously comes in handy, goes sort of in there like that. And then you also get a brand new pilot bearing to put in your either brand new Exedy OEM replacement flywheel or brand new Exedy lightweight flywheel. But yeah, that's pretty much a quick unboxing of this stuff. So yeah, if you need to order an Exedy clutch, go to bleedingtarmac.com. We've got their entire line, including their racing products, including double plate and triple plate clutches. But if you have any questions, you can always hit us up with an email or shoot us a message on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good day, guys. We'll see you soon.